then remove everything. So we know that you know what is causing the issue. Okay, just opening this guy and go back down here. Man, okay, upload. Yep, what happened? Upload, upload. Okay, item invalid. Everything is ngram. Look, I wonder why I have ngram for everything. Don't I have items? No, I have items. Because upon looking at our, it's true. It says engram true. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Why everything? Maybe I have something wrong with this. Get player character, my player inventory component field, inventory items field, which is my items. Why? Everything is engram. Wait. Upload. Upload. Inventory components field, component field, get player character. Oh, wow. Inventory equals to inventory items field, inventory component. Should I cache this? I wanna try. Maybe there's something wrong doing it directly. Um, just wanna try. It's the same, I will put it back. Items. Right. Because I suspect that this is the one. Because you can get like making a copy your the array. Okay, just making sure. Upload. Yeah, still everyone is looking for B is ngram. Just we're not. How many items you have? Why we do have? I wonder why it's not detecting our wait, I have to put something. 'Cause my old code has this. Um, okay. No, 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 no. Hope I didn't get crash. See, let me get my repair. What's it? Repair. Our repair is doing the same thing. It's player inventory, getting the player primal. Hmm. What we did there is not getting the thing right away, which is this get player from controller. So what we get there is let's try this a character. Maybe this is the cost, but I wonder why it's still using it's still usable. I mean, um, it's working. Character field, but get if character return because that's it's required. Next a character primal character for static cast with your primal character and your character right here. Post that one. I'm good. We forgot to put the pointer right here. Still wrong. Yeah, we're good. Um, yeah, what we have is we are copying paste this instead of getting this one. My inventory component field, which is this one. So I know that's the same thing, but we're just gonna try this. Okay. Maybe we do have it. No, we have some like, notification that we are having upload something. But right here we don't upload anything. Just yeah, upload, boom, invalid. That's the same thing. There's something wrong with this. Art, what's wrong with you? Cosmetic. What's this? What we're gonna do here is I'll try. Maybe there's a art bug thing here. It's been cool. Did we allow everything, allow upload anywhere, right? Yeah. Just making it sure, but it's not. Just checking the, Item is invalid. Is still, my guy. So just gonna put it back because we are doing another calls for rather than just getting right it away. But the problem still persists. Uh, we can't get any items from this because everything is being true. Or maybe equals to false. True. Because I'm getting it. Yeah, probably. But no. The log says we are invalid because we are not class private and not allowed to get in inventory. Just remove this. We need to false. I think that's the wrong thing there. I wish we can end this now. Upload. Yeah, it's still item invalid because this all is engram. Still showing a lot of things right here. So it's not invalid, it's not removable either, and it's not a class item private. What's wrong with this? Hmm. View primal inventory. My PC, which is me, this is the problem. Or allow. Just gonna separate this again. Item. Okay, let's just try this first. I wanna get overbooked. Oh, okay, so upload. So what we did here is false. Um, item invalid. We're not saying this. This one is all valid, and then item is uh with the okay. So we cleared with class private. We good about it. But this one is not removable. Removable. Everything is not removable. Holds everything up to here. Okay. So they are not removable. I wonder why they can't detect any other items of me. Yes, they allow they're not allowed to, even though like it's engram, it will filter right here, but they just continue everything because they're not allowed to remove removal from inventory because they're engrams. But I think there's something wrong with this. Yeah, I'm using this since with recipe stack that one we should have like you know should put that one as well. Prevent upload. Yeah, you can use this in your thing. If it's mission item, something like that. But we're just limiting it. Oh wow. What is happening? We haven't done with this. Let me remove this one. So this one. This one didn't. Why showing? It's not showing our thing. Maybe I put item in the wrong modifying item. Okay. Look, look, look at this. We do have element. We have sword, which is I have sword here. Spyglass, stone hatchet, and then my big admin rifle, which is I'm admin. Then the element itself. And why? Why earlier we are having some problems, and right now and not. It should have not descriptive name. So this one triggers, I believe, that was a continue. Um, here. Okay, gonna put it right here. Is descriptive base name field. Yes. Okay. Element. Because you see, as you can see right there, we have element, right? Should print element when I trigger upload. I'm ready. Upload. Yes. So we do have element, but this one triggers, I believe. But it's not match. No, it should have like get logs and continue, right? Like that. But we didn't give anything. So it's, I suppose, we have something right here that breaks the thing that we need to talk about uploads. Okay. Upload. Upload. Okay. So we have that. We know that this part until this is working, so we have a break here. What we gonna do is um, limit reach. We do have break, but we don't have any. You reached the upload limit, something like that. Where's upload limit? Where are you, guy? Upload limit reach. Where are you? You right here. Gonna do here is break. Okay. Blah blah blah. You have reached the maximum server maximum limit. Yes. Okay. Um, yes. After reaching that, maybe I believe that we are reaching that or not. Let's just do this. Just checking it one by one because I'm tired, like, upload. And, so it's loaded. Yeah, element. So we reached the upload limit. It says that red thing there. It's red, right? Red. What? Oh, it says something. It says something, not just red. This is so fast. Mm, they remove the cooldown. This is giving some problem, but we know that it's working, right? So we just need to remove this for now. Yes, for now. One upload. You have reached the maximum. Bullshit. Maximum upload count. Upload available limit. Uploaded element, which I declare right here. It's checking the DB. Go to declaration definition. We are checking if we are have zero, so we can just do a log here, and then loaded element, then loaded element. So just making sure that we are zero there. S- do- do that. Okay. Oh wow! Just where this thing. We're good, and I think we're reaching. We're good about this. This is our problem. Greater than or equals to zero. This is wrong. Why I'm putting zero there? Equals to zero. Yes. But here where I'm returning upload check uploaded in DB. Oh yes. Uh-huh. So I have uploaded. Um, Upload available limit. Do this. Uploaded element. So uploaded element. What I'm doing here is uploaded element minus limit, right? So I'm 0. I don't have uploaded yet, and I have minus uploaded limit. Where are they? You that I declared you here. So I should do it like this. Did I? Yeah, uploaded limit in my upload CMD, right? So what I'm going to do, limit reach, upload available limit. So I'm checking it while looping, right? I can just do this like that, right? Instead of doing this shit. But uploaded element minus limit 0, uploaded limit. Yes, yes, yes. Not the limit. Yeah, this is correct. Like, should be 0. If I have uploaded like 0, then my limit, no, my current limit. So if I'm not uploading anything, 0 minus 100 equals to 100. No, you're correct. I need to do this instead of that because we're checking the upload limit, available limit. Okay, so that's the problem right there. Let's wait for this one. I'm hungry, ate. Hmm. Where's my coffee? Yeah, uploaded element is 0. That's correct. Uploaded limit is negative 100. Oh my. We need to abs this. Because yeah, if 0, yeah, instead of doing that, just need to see. You only need 0, right? But if it's negative, let's say I have uploaded no, it 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 can't be happen like you have more than uploaded. But if you uh change it in the middle, let's say your player has you have limit. Let's say you have 100 limit, and then everyone has 100 in their database, right? And then suddenly you change your mind and then change your limit to 50. So they already have 50 there. So for example, pull up calculator here. So they have uploaded element 100, but your limit is only 50, right? That's okay, right? Let's say you have 100 and then your 100 limit, right? It just turns to 0. But if happen that they have uploaded element minus your limit is 150, it will make you negative 50, which is bad for us because we're trying to um trying to check here if you have a limit. So basically, you have because you're 100 and then you change it to 150. That and then, for example, you have uploaded none, and then you are minusing the limit, it will give you negative 100. So I believe that we need to add this. Do we have STD abs? Right, right, like that. Okay, so it don't less than. Okay, or maybe just put it like equals to zero, just to make sure that is zero. Right? So if it's negative, it's okay, but that's really dangerous when you are minusing them. Let's try this. Sometimes. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so what we have there is try to upload again. Upload. Yep. Uploaded element. Player has uploaded 100 over 100. Let's check. It's 690 instead of 790. And check our Discord. IPonet. Player IPonet uploaded element 100 over 100 Marble Scorcher. Good stuff. And check our database if we are already uploaded something there. So we do have amount like yeah, ID1. Why yeah, ID is not, ID is for something else. It's for MySQL. And that mess up, I can just delete them and reload the plugin. It will create the database for me. Again, just to fix this um arrangement of the tables. Okay, good stuff. We have uploaded, so right now we can upload anymore because we reached the limit. You have reached the limit whatsoever. If you want to put it on Discord as well, it's up to you. If someone pushing themselves to being uploaded, okay, just remove this one. Then scripted name, launch in BPM. Just remove all of the thing. Where's my to do cleanup? To do cleanup. Right. We know that everything is okay, right? We did upload something. Um, the previous issues in this plugin, when I try to uh, less than, not a max, we'll try download first. Ta-da! You have what? What did I have? You have reached the maximum download, it says. Uh-huh. Where's our config? Download. Limit download count is to zero. So we go to our download. Download. Okay. Uh, download limit says right there. Map name. Empty slot. Download. You reach limit reach. Download element. Um, it's more than download limit. Or so download limit or equals, but not equals to zero. It's basically our download limit is 0. Uh, yeah, like that. If download limit's not equals to 0, which means we can download any how many we want, right? What if we put 0 as well in our limit? Yeah, we'll try the other one first. And yeah, limit reach, limit reach. We don't have limit right about here. Yeah, we do have. But while downloading, limit reach, downloaded element, download limit. Um, also, download limit not equals to 0 and is we don't want that to be, Mhm. Um, I'm gonna change a little bit around here. It should be -1. Um, 0. Not equal or equals to 0. This is correct because we used the -1, right? If it's -1, you can download as many as you want. Make sure it's -1. Because if we're using 0, because 0 is like we don't have upload numbers yet. I mean download remaining. And that's why we can't use 0. For this one as well, same as that, -1, but we're not gonna change it anymore because like that. Alright? Good stuff, right? So what we're gonna do, we already have limit, right? We know that if we upload more, you cannot upload, you have limit, you have the reach limit, right? So what we're gonna do is upload limit 0. Let's just try. Let's just try this one first. Okay. If still letting us to upload something, but I bet it's not, and I hope it's not, because we gonna do a lot of thinking again after this. Okay, slash load. Yep, remaining 0. But if I do like -1, it will download. We're gonna do download 100 only. Then space, backspace, save, and control B, control shift B to build. Then, okay, so after loading that, what we're gonna do is upload to add, right? What, what? I didn't see that. Not the -1. Oh, okay, so upload. Close this one. Upload. Uh, what are we checking here? Uploaded element, which is 100, is greater than or equals to limit. Mas mat is wrong. It should be or equals less than. This should be higher. Oh, when we reach limit, it should be higher. If it's higher, our this is correct. And um, element upload limit is not equals to 0, right? Not equals to 0 means -1. Okay, just not equals to negative one, and not equals to negative one. Upload limit not equals to negative one. So if it's not negative one, it will do this. But if it's negative one, it will let you upload anything you want. And right here, we're gonna check it down here. Where's the for loop here? Um, upload limit, limit available, then and upload element upload limit not equals to zero, negative one, I mean, and then and to check if it's like this. Maybe for uniform, we put this up there first. First checking that one if they allowed to upload. Okay. And then for the download, we're gonna do the same thing because they are the same. Upload limit, upload limit, download limit rich, limit rich. Okay. Make sure that this is a limit rich. No element. No, 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 no. There's no element. Okay. Where are you, limit rich? We do have limit rich. It's, yeah, limit rich. Okay. And then our download limit, I think upload a download limit. So that's the same thing as here. How many appearances? So we didn't use it. See, we have unused declared variable here. But this one is the one that we need to. So we're gonna change this one. Download limit, change to e download limit. Remove this. Let's check if we have here download limit, download limit. Oh no no no, download limit right there, limit right here. Download it. Just to make uniform that for our thing. Here, limit range not equals to negative one and end. So we are allowing everything to get downloaded. Limit reach before the loop. Limit rich, remaining rich, remaining load, limit rich. Not equal to negative one and end. Might have problem with this, but I believe that's okay. So we have a download limit. So we can only download what? What is this? Get that guy. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this, make sure this one did get deleted or make it zero. Um, download, and then upload first, right? Upload. We want to upload everything. What? 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 It's just not 10, maybe? I think it's just 10. You just upload one. What? This is absolute, maybe? We did absolute, so we go to upload to fix that problem. Maybe that's the absolute thing. So we didn't have a limit reach, but our problem is uploading the thing as one, right? So we are doing, hmm, this one is -1, not 0. Um, okay. Oh, wow. We're using it there. We need to make more current available, which is on the loop, right? Like we do here in download. How is it? Um, right here. Oh, wait. Limit reach. Um, remaining to be download. Remaining to be upload. Gonna add that. Okay. Remaining to be upload. So remaining to be upload before the loop right here. Um, in remaining to be upload equals what we declare here remaining to be upload because we don't have any limit, right? So we are making it 0 probably because we didn't do anything here. If we have available limit which is 0 is greater than to 0, oh, we're not gonna check on this. But the problem is upload. Wait, we need to check if another one. Sorry. Um, okay. If element upload limit is not like that, first we declare that as 0. So if an upload available limit, we don't have limit, no limit, no limit. And then upload limit equals to, we don't minus that one. Else, if we have limit, we're gonna do this, right? If we don't have limit, uploaded element, if we have available limit, hmm, if equals to 0 or available limit, we don't minus available limit here. We do uploaded, upload. Yeah, we don't do anything here. If param not specified equals the upload amount, this is where comes the upload to be remaining to be upload, right? So we are here upload limit. Um, Uploaded equals minus the upload limit. The thing here when we upload, remaining upload to be upload equals to minus equals to we minus the uploaded available, no, uploaded amount, right? We minus the uploaded amount. And then the remaining upload limit should be the the first when we in it. If um we have upload limit, right? But if it's -1, if mas is greater than to 0, then um 0, no, remaining upload limit, it should be the stack, right? Is this the maximum? No. Yeah. We're gonna count the maximum get max item count. No, this is this is the stacking, global stacking you have. So when we're uploading, no limit. We don't use limit. Maybe just to make it simpler, just remove that. We go here like the check limit, limit reach, right? If you don't have limit, don't check this. But the problem is you are uploading upload limit. No, we're not gonna check this, right? Upload amount equals to 0. Yeah, I'm checking. Upload amount from not specify available limit is greater than item quantity. Um, if upload limit is greater than to 0, so we just put 0, upload limits to 0. My God. If it's -1, upload limits to 0, like that, just like that. That's so simple. And then upload limit minus if there's a limit, so we can use it from here, right? Right. Let's try it. So we currently upload 101 right here. Is oh man, remaining to be uploaded. I'm so sorry, my God. Don't use that anymore because it will, if you have limit, it will just break. It's just different with the other one. Man, I got bad headache now. Okay, so we have 589. I'm expecting that one to get uploaded. Okay, everything, right? Upload. We only upload 102. -1. Why only 102? 102. And we only upload one. Hmm. No, equals should be. Sorry again, my guys. That should be different. Okay. Then try it again. Hopefully this work. I wanna eat. Upload. Okay. Again. We did. Maybe I don't have points. Enough points. How many did I upload? I uploaded 0. It just minus the guy. So I lose a lot of element right. Oh wow, I'm gonna pause this. Give me a moment. Alright, so coming back for a long break, I took a bath and do some family devotion, and right now we're back here. Um, our problem is it keeps uploading even if we don't have much. We don't have like the limit, yeah, like that. The problem. So what we're gonna do here is we don't have points anymore. So maybe I'll make it 9999 because we know that our point system is working. Do that, and then coming back to our code because God, you give me wisdom to fix this faster, instead of doing it by ourselves. God will help us. All right. So right now we are checking our limit right here, getting our limit. Um, if it's -1, which is we're not putting any limit to our upload, um, not equal to -1, of course, and then we don't have limit. And upload limit, uploaded element, which we are checking right here. If we do have uploaded element, and then checking that thing if it's larger than or equal to our element upload limit. Let's say we put 100 here, it will just return. All right, so for looping, so for example, it's not our limit yet. It's not limit yet. What we're gonna do is that, for example, it passed everything, and then we are checking again our uploaded element right here, and then upload available limit, which is oh wow, yeah. I think we're not gonna use this because it's not like download enough. So when we are uploading, and then for example we have 100 limit, and then our stock, no, I think we're gonna use this. Our stock is currently 50. For example, let me pull a notepad. So for example, you have a 100 limit, and then all you're gonna do, you have a 50 stock, and you still have um, you don't have zero down uploaded. So what you're gonna do is it will for example you have two items which is 50-50 with these two items, right? So first it will loop, okay, you're not in limit. Then first you're gonna upload the first 50, and then uploaded, and then you got 50 uploaded here, and then you loop two times, right? You loop two times because you're not limit yet. So uploaded 50, you're gonna check if you have upload limit available, upload available limit. Maybe the remaining. We're gonna make remaining here. Um, let's say our exact. If we don't have upload limit, upload element. Okay, items for removal. So we don't. If we don't have limit here, uh, upload limit. So if it's -1, else maybe here we can use advantage of this. So if we have remaining to be upload, what we're gonna do here, we are uploading if here Gonna make another one just to make it clear. Okay, so element upload limit, if it's -1, right? Remaining to be upload needs to be, if you don't have limit, like make sure uh it's going to be our stocking max stock, right? So we can just copy paste this, but this one is the item would be item. Oh no no no, the one that we created. Ay, we need to do this again. Where's our download? Wait, I'm not gonna remove my eyes right here. Because we already have chance. No, I think I closed it. Oh, yeah, go back here and download. I think we declare it somewhere here. Our element, we create element right here. Element right here. Okay, so going back right there. So we need to declare the element so we can so we don't have element. So that's required. Element. Okay. So we're getting the max stack of the element. So that will be our remaining to be upload. So we don't have any limit, right? So that will be our max stack. So it means it will upload everything, any element that we have. Okay. So or else then our upload limit, right, remaining to be uploaded. So that will be our limit. So element upload limit minus upload element. That will be our remain. So if we have 0, make sure um, this is abs, cd abs, then so it will be upload anything, because if you don't have upload yet, it will make negative. That's why we're making it that. In here, what we're gonna do here after everything, then if our before we get this, um, if remaining upload equals to 0, and then breaking this because we don't have anything to be uploaded, right? Right. Um, but what we're gonna do is to be uploaded. First thing is 0, and then we're gonna change the remaining to be upload right here because we're getting the current stock of our item quantity. So if it's not equals to 0, uh, so we're gonna do another check. Uh, Maybe the remaining should be right about here, and then our remaining to be upload needs to be set. If we don't have limit, our remaining to be upload should be always our item quantity, right? So it will loop every time it will upload everything. So if not, if we have limit, what we're gonna do is our remaining upload will be our same as this, always like uploaded element minus the element upload. So we just available limit, available rate. So we don't, yeah, we're not gonna declare that one. It's the same thing as remaining. to be uploaded. And then, um, no, we're not gonna change that now. Right here, if you are success, and then equals, you'll be uploaded amount minus equals minus equals then uploaded amount. So we minus that to our uploaded amount. Okay, so you don't need to worry about uploading everything because this one never gets zero if it's as long as you have item quantity here. But right here, if you have a limit, then this one will trigger, right? Or if you don't have remaining to be uploaded. If you know your limit, uploaded element minus uploaded limit, and then it will break as well because it will turns to zero. So if we are limiting not equal to negative 1, which means we have a limit, and then our remaining to be upload, which is has limit, is less than or equals to zero. So this one will be zero if we have limit, right? If you have limit, wait, this one needs to be not ABS. So we have limit, right? So upload limit, uploaded element, it will check. Let's say you have 50 and you have 100 limit. So 50 minus 100, 50 minus 100, you have negative 50, right? So it will be lower, down to zero, and then you have reached the maximum. Same stuff there. So what we're gonna do here is make it like element no limit and then minus your uploaded element. So whether you have always like you have a 100 limit minus your current, so it's 50, or 100 minus 100 is just zero or equals to zero, right? So this one will break. You reach the maximum number. And of course, we'll try to make it more display time because this one is making us hard time to read our notification in game. So what we're gonna do, later I'm gonna fix the download limit. For now, we're gonna fix this first, upload. For this one, we have an error because we delete something. Here, if we have not specified our upload amount, I mean, the one that we don't want, upload limit. So remaining to be uploaded, maybe like this. Okay, that's the same thing. Our upload amount to be uploaded. Okay, all right. So let's try this one. Okay, we will have a lot of tests anyway. Hmm, we're done. Not yet. Okay, so we have for 87. Maybe we could do what we could do. What's our element transfer currently? We do have zero. We lose a lot of stuff. Okay, maybe I'll truncate this. Truncate table, truncate, so we don't have records. And then for this one, split stack, we're gonna split A7. So we use the way like this. So yeah, we have 480. Then when I upload, currently we don't have limit, right? So if you can see our config here, right about -1. So we are expecting to upload everything, like 480 upload. Okay, did I upload? What did it say? It was. I don't know why it crashed. Let's see the logs. Open this. Wait. Crash stack. Okay. Close the old ones. Okay, so crash stack, we have some get default object. Hmm. Uh, I know what happened there. Um, this one, the item. Where are you guys? This one. So we are doing element class. I believe that this one um, has been um, declared, which is like here in our download, we did some um, yeah, we need to do it as well right here. It's not being declared yet. Are you here? Okay, so we're loading the BB class, the element, and trying to initialize the remaining upload. Okay, so Control B, Shift P. Right now it's a fresh. Oh wow! Well, before we start, I want to delete this one, so this one will fix. Drop table, drop now, so we don't have anymore, right? We don't have it. So when we run it, the arrangement will be fixed. Yeah, and it will be yeah, will kick us in the game. Okay, I think we're up. No, I'm just checking something in my pages. We'll try to join. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go on my feet on because I don't wanna die. So we have 487 right here. And I'm gonna remove the 7 just to make it full number. What happened there? Okay, this came to my inventory. Okay, so when we upload, it should be upload to 480. Upload. Okay, so there's something wrong. We're trying to amount in the field list, but we don't have the amount. We don't have or we don't have. Let's check our database right here. Refresh your table, refresh all. You have element transfer. Hmm, player name. Good. Hmm, I think we did some. I forgot to change something with our plugin config. Let's go back there. Plugin DB settings, table name, and I didn't plug in DB settings. Should be table name, and then what? Why I put player name in it? Util, sorry about this, because we need to declare it somewhere here, right here. Okay, to be here. Make it copy paste like this. So amount map name. We're gonna add something because I want the created ad, so we know that. No, it will. It will gonna change. It will change. It will come. So yeah, this one is better. Okay. Then same thing as SQLite. If you have SQLite, okay. So everything goes the same. Yeah. And what we're gonna do is close this one, and then oh, I wish I didn't close it because I wanna try that. If you just reload, if you'll fix this. Drop now. Okay. So we don't have that. Refresh this. We don't have it. We don't have it. And then play your server again. Mhm. You just stop when the console didn't show up the moment you press the toggle console. It's a quick wait. And this one will be exited because we closed that already. I wish that this is the one. I think it's not. Just wait for this, yeah. I think I can join. Okay, so turning on our cheat again. Just now. Okay, so we have. Oh, we gonna do removing. Anyway, just upload it right away. Boom. Okay, so we are missing amount, even though we. Oh no, I think I did something. I think I didn't. uh Okay, refresh. I wanna. It's okay that this happened. So we know that it will when I compile this one, it will create a new database for us. That's right now, and it won't. It didn't crash us, right? So let's see. So it's being loaded. Then hopefully when we refresh this, we have element transfer right there. That's perfect. Then did it fix the everything with this arrangement? Okay. Right now, so when we upload it without a limit, it should upload everything. Boom, boom. Okay. So it uploads everything right now. Um, uh, I don't want to download yet because I think we have a problem right there. Uh, right now, where's our element transfer? So we do have element there. I'm gonna copy this and then leave that one for now. What we're gonna do is spawning our element. So I have 1000 stock. Where did it go? Yeah. Okay, so we have 1000 now. What we're gonna do, um, just space back, save, and then our dev, um, let me see, try to upload limit of 100. Okay. For example, it did change in the middle of the way, or your admin just trigger its sickness. Okay, so it did change, right? So let's wait for it to get to be updated. Okay, so now it's uploaded. It shouldn't be upload anything because we do have limit. Okay, you have reached the maximum limit, right? And then what we're gonna do, so we have a limit right now. We know that we have a limit and we can't upload anything. Make sure you refresh. Yeah, it's still 487, right? So I make this 0, for example. Oh no, not that one. Okay, finish. Then yeah, make it 0, still 0, right? What we're gonna do is upload again. It upload 100, right? And then refresh this guy, and we have upload. What we're gonna do here to check another case, apply 50, and we still have 50 remaining, right? So when I upload 850, right? We did the limit 850, and then it should be let me to upload another one for a whole 100, right? And then what here, that's the problem. I saw the problem, but when I upload it will get me. But the thing is, when I upload again, but here it only shows 50. It's not adding. My. What we're gonna do, gonna lose one, okay? we upload amount, we need to upload total upload amount. So we're gonna check here. If we pass everything, right? We pass everything. Total upload equals upload amount plus the wait check db. Right. If this one changes or modified through way, but it doesn't look like right like that, then you should, since we are updating it, right? So we need to plus that one and change it like here. Remove the whole stock. Um, no, this is for this database, not for the upload amount and whatsoever. Okay, this is just for this. Right now we have 50, right? So when we upload another one, it should be complete the 100 stock. Okay, and it won't let us to upload again. Okay, make sure that this one is 50. Good thing that we tested. Upload, right? Gives me 650. This one should be 100. Okay, then upload again. It won't let me upload. So we only have 650 right there. So removing, for example, make it the 0 just to don't let me to, what do you call this? Compile again. Okay, so I just make it 0 since we have a cheat to refresh our upload. So what we're gonna do now, I want to upload only 25, but my limit is 100, right? Upload 25. Then it's 625. Good job, right? And then it will upload 80. And I want to cheat, like, I want to upload beyond my limit, which is 125. Then when I enter it, 15550. So 25, it should be 150 if we have mistakes, but it only sent 75, which makes it 5550. That correct? Right? It's 625, 75 only. Right, 650. Right. Good stuff. Right? So what we do there, we have a limit, but we can't reach even if we upload another 25, we have reached the limit and it won't make any further anymore. And for our download, here comes the thing. Let's try to download now. Download is downloaded 100 as you can see, and then this should be zeroed. Oh no, it didn't zero our thing. So right now we know everything that upload is working, and then now time to fix our download uploaded element. Just check that because it's supposed to be, update download amount. Okay, here's the thing. I do know that we didn't do total downloaded amount equals, make it sure that you declare the type in amount, and then we didn't modify this thing in any way. That, and then download amount minus our uploaded element, right? Just to make sure that we do 0. We wait for that to get uploaded, and let's see. Okay, currently we do have 100. So when we download that, it should be 750, but it makes it 0, right? Load. No, 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 no. Download. 750, and then this should be 0. Why are not moved? I think if I'm doing like this, I don't know. Wait, wait, wait. What is happening right there? Hmm, Downloaded amount. No. So I'm sorry. I didn't put that one. I declared it, but it's not. So that's only for that one. And we don't need to. We know that it's deducting our element in the game or adding. Oh no, where is it? Double click it again. Okay. So this one should be 850 when we download, and then our database record should be 0. Yeah, perfect. So right now, what we're gonna do is upload another load, then make it 750, and then refresh this. It's 100, right? But I do want to download only 25. It's 775, and then this make it 75. Why negative? Why negative? Okay, we need to add something here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hee hee. Where are you? Yeah, this one download amount. So we only minus. um, Maybe we can. What we can do there. Yeah, is we're doing download amount here, and it's always been like this. Uploaded element, and we do have a download limit. If you don't have, you can't download it anymore. You just minus that. If we absolute that thing, what if we want to download more than enough, right? More than we have. Download, we do have download limit of 100, right? We can try this first anyway. Um, we do have limit. I haven't tried this one, but yeah, clearly we do have problem with this. So I don't think if make it absolute is a thing. I might need to try it. Okay, let's try it anyway. Maybe just okay. Okay, so for example, we do have like 0. Remove the negative there and then save it. So we do have something. We have 775. We want to um download another 25, so we have remaining 50, not negative, right? Download 25, right? So it makes us 800, and then here should be 50, right? Right? But then um, you do have, uh, let's say, download 50. That makes it 0, right? For example, we do have 50, 500 right here. For example, we do have 500, and then we download more than we download 500. We download 550. Only download 100, right? Downloads only 100 because we have limit. So what if we remove our limit, um, which is downloading everything? Or wait, we try it. We try this first. Okay, so we download. 150 beyond our limit. Yeah, 950 plus 150. No, it didn't went through. So we just downloaded 100. But you can tell it is 400, sure to be 300, right? And that's how it's even if you download more than with your limit. So what if space back so we can build it later on? We're not gonna make any download here, and our upload is 0. Make sure that it's 0. Someone put 0 means you don't have limit or whatsoever, or it won't let you upload. I think because it's 0, it should be -1. Okay, we're gonna build it. Just making try the 0 and then limit download count is -1, which means you don't have limit to download. Okay, waiting for reload. What we are expecting here, we're gonna add element for like 300 elements, so it's like 350 on the other stack, right? So when we download, ta-da, what is happening? We do have plus is 0. What's wrong? Mhm. Do have 300 and download limit. I think this one didn't fix yet. So while it's still running, we're gonna upload and it should be not, um, let's say upload everything. No, no, upload. It won't let me upload because it's 0. It should be -1. Okay. And then this one doesn't work. So we're gonna fix that. Okay. Right now, we are declaring in here in download, we are declaring upload element download limit, which is 0. On here, limit reach because it's not equal to 0, and then it will check. But right now, it should be pass, because we're not supposed to check, right? And here, element download limit and not equals to -1, we're not supposed to check and then break out, right? But then our remaining, I think there's something wrong with this. Download element is greater than preferred download element amount. We're not putting anything, so it just pass. Download amount uploaded element is max equal to our stack, and then we will use the max stack quantity. But our upload element is just 300, so we're gonna use our, oh, this is wrong in here, because our element upload is like use this, and element upload limit uh, equals to 0. Upload, if it's upload, we're gonna use the uploaded limit, but right here our element download limit is -1, so it is false to false, which is our current element, our download amount is negative right now. So when it's negative, this is something bad right here. Okay, so download amount, we're using max quantity. Okay, we're gonna separate this. Okay, we need to separate this part because that makes us, for now, if we need to check another check if it's not negative one like we do in our upload. Okay, so download amount is if negative one, we don't have limit, which is our upload element, um, upload element, and then max stack quantities larger than that. Or use max quantity because we need to download that amount. But then if we are lower than max stack quantity, then we use our loaded element to be downloaded because we download everything. Mhm. Should be, this should be set by max quantity because we need to always use max stack quantity when we are adding element, right? But let's let's see. Oh, which is download divided by max stack quantity. So we're dividing them in so we know how many iteration count we're gonna do, right? So right here, it's okay. Yeah. Then, of course, no limit. Okay. Then here we have limit. What we're gonna do, we do have limit here. So our download amount should be um, checking our uploaded amount, for example, is higher than our download limit, for example, then we're gonna use the download amount as our limit, right? Because we do have limit. That's only numbers that we can use. And if not, we gonna use the uploaded. If uploaded element is lower than element download limit, then what we're gonna use our uploaded element. Is that right? Right. We can just remove this. Okay. This looks like the same. The only change is the limit. Okay. So we determine the download amount right there. So remaining download amount, um, first we are setting it, then loop if we're not stuck, if we are missing a stack until it's gone, right? So we build this. Right now we didn't download anything from the 300 because it's negative one earlier. Then I'm expecting it's 350 right here. Okay. So download still not going anywhere because it's zero. Hmm. And do we have some logs downloaded? What do we have? We don't have limit download count. Uh, let's see if we have something. Yeah, it didn't happen in any way. What we're gonna do right now is perform a logs. Same download plus is 0, download CMD, right? Download CMD. Make sure that limit download count. Yeah, that's true. It's -1. And then uploaded element is greater than or equals to 0. Don't have element, then return it. Will show you something, and it in your inventory component. If you have something wrong with that, you return it. Return this guy. Empty slot. Return if you don't have slot. When you are parsing this one for our and limit reach, we don't have limit reach because it didn't tell us not equals to -1 max stock limit. I can just put before for if no um, log get log or goes here where we have the goes here. So we know that everything up there is right. This is how you debug. You know, when I'm debugging before, I need to restart the server every time. So download. Okay, it goes here. So we are done. It goes here. Then for first, how many? Right here, not equals to -1. Would be remaining download equals download amount. Oh wow, maybe I change it right there. Download amount. I declare the download amount no limit. We have limit. Use upload element. Parse. I wish that I could download amount because it might um limit here. It's here. Oh no. Here, right here. Might the remaining download amount equals to 0, that's why it's breaking it. Yeah, I think this is the one. Equals to 0. Because the remaining download amount might be 0. Because we don't have download. Yes. Wait, let's print that. Then goes here. Remember this one. This is I suspect that this one is being less than or be 0. That's why it's breaking it, the loop. Right, and it didn't even add anything on our inventory. So it's still 1050. Okay, so download. See, download amount is -1. So why is -1? Mhm. Which means it's not equal to 0. This one is no limit. No limit means we are uploaded element is larger than max quantity. Then we use max quantity instead. And then the remaining, we should be remaining is uploaded element, and that's the start. It's we need to down no limit, right? So we need to download everything from there. And then if we have a limit, like we use the download amount right there and there. But the problem is um we modify this one here. Hmm. Hmm. So if we do have download amount and we do have preferred download amount, oh wow, because it's the same. No, it's being -1. Mm, mm. I think there's something wrong. There's something wrong. This one no limit. Element download limit is not equals to -1. So which means we have limit like 100 for example. Then our download we need to set it's gonna use 1000, giving you the 1000 right there. But then put where it goes. But I do believe, right, this one goes to right about here and here. Um, oh, I think this one. I don't think. Oh wait, this one need to be parsed somewhere first or last, because we are setting no limit. Okay, just to have an understanding about everything. Let's see first. I know it's gonna fix this one. Because currently we don't have fix. We don't have limit. It will download and such. But I'm worried about the other the second one. When we download with limit. See, with limit, we don't have limit. And this one goes here. So upload element. Yay. Where did I declare you? Limit download count. Hmm. Element download count is not equal to 0. So this goes here, -1. Why you go to else? Oh no, no, with limit download because the download amount is being -1. But it's still why we are going to with limit, as you can see here, with limit, right? With limit. But here we don't have limit. It shouldn't be. It should be go here with no limit, not equal to negative. So I wanna check this one instead, because since it's going here, we wanna see. I wanna see that why it's being with limit is element download limit not equals to -1. Not working here with limit, right? Even though it's -1, why you are going to else? Am I doing something wrong here? Yeah, element download limit is with limit, with limit, with no limit. So why we are going through here, uh, when it's element download limit is negative. I'm so dumb. This is so like 8 hours coding will do. This one is no limit. That's why this one changes. Not equal to negative. Oh man. Limit, no limit. Okay. Okay, so we're going here because we don't have limit. So download amount, uploaded amount, we're going to, if uploaded amount is negative, no, since we don't have limit, we're not gonna check that. So we accept here and there. Okay, so since there, we can just do it right here. I know I'm correct. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we don't need that anymore. That's so dummy of me. Okay, so we're setting download amount. Since we're setting it out like uploaded limit, so our download limit, if higher than our preferred download limit, we're gonna change it, right? So we are preferred because we passed the limit. Our preferred should be passed to the limit as well. Because if download amount, or maybe put it like this, if more than, then we change this because I'm gonna put another thing there. Okay, so if this one is lower, if this one lower than this, and then we're gonna use the download amount. If this one higher than our download amount, should even though because you only download the amount that it has to be, and then if you have limit, element upload limit, let's say we use this one, um, this one is more than the, yeah. Wait, we need to check them again. This one can be used if we don't know. This is so redundant though. What we can do there is when we have parse index, then we set outside 0, and then we set this one right here. But then we have a preferred amount, right? So what we have there, instead of um, element download, we're gonna do upload instead of